JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning here today. Today we're going to talk about how our EXACT-imate works. An EXACT-imate is a pricing quote based on the number of areas you tell us you want cleaned. We charge a flat rate per area with no upsells, no per spot fees, or hidden charges of any kind. So as long as you tell us how many areas you want cleaned, we can tell you exactly how much it will cost. If you are charged more than your EXACT-imate, then your carpet cleaning is free. So it's a win-win for you. Give us a call today, 770-652-0630. J.R. Mitchell with OMG Carpet Cleaning here to explain our forever pricing guarantee. Basically, the forever pricing guarantee is as long as you have 4 areas cleaned at least once a year by OMG, you'll pay the same thing. You'll pay the same price per area forever. It's that simple. So have us out once a year, clean at least 4 areas, and you'll always pay the same price.